Alright, this is the beginning of the third day of our progress of building the deck. Today we'll be focusing on decking the deck, and plain and simple, let's get to it.
We gonna put deck on. Alright, come on, get this shit in
one
here.
pair of shorts to ruin it.
Yeah, I need to get a new pair of shorts.
Alright, we gotta build some stairs still. How are the stairs gonna be anchored to the ground?
Just floating.
Floating?
Yes.
Floating. Floating, you put stringers on them. Put across.
As long as I can get out the back door, we'll be done with the deck.
That's weird, it went right in the same hole.
Ow!
Anyone got a staple? Anyone got an office staple remover?
That was not the same hole.
I don't want.
Hey!
Take out the. Or you can go.
You get that?
Yeah, it's fine.
I don't like this bit. It comes right out. Is yours like welded in there or something?
Yes. Milwaukee Magnums are just better.
Oh. Oh God, it fell.
You better get that.
Here, hold I should have put real shoes on.
Yes, make sure you wear Crocs to
At least.
Thank you.
Okay. Shoot a magnetic bit.
Just be crumping. Copper's expensive and it's very nice. We get that. I'm over here leaning all the way in because Jeff can't.
I can't reach that far.
Jeff's all short and stuff.
Steve needs a better drill bit.
It's the one that
This
came
is
in the
actually
box.
the one that came with the box.
Came with them. I think it's only gonna last. It's only gonna last for as many screws that are in the box. 'Cause
That's good. Yes.
Hi, Teddy.
Yeah.
Teddy, want your
bugs.
key to
There's bugs
refrigerate?
everywhere.
Oh no. Here, let me come out and try.
Will it survive? You can.
Wait! It's gonna snap in half.
Pretty sturdy. Josh was scared, so he even walked on the beam.
Here.
Like bone steel deck, where I'm afraid.
It's like a punji trap on
Damn,
him.
that looks pretty goddamn sturdy. It's not even flexing even a little bit.
Well, yeah. You over-engineered it.
I just not no such thing.
It really is.
No such thing, Steve.
Watch when the first tornado comes right for this porch.
This rips the whole thing off.
Need new screws.
More?
Reload.
Yeah.
You really want to go crazy, get a 6. Those things last forever. Or an 8.
No, I'll wait.
I'll take it in the box when it's ready.
Okay. Man, my back's a little itchy.
That's weird.
This is my brand new battery that I got yesterday. 4 bars still.
So Jeff here likes Milwaukee. I prefer DeWalt. Not sure which one's right. Everybody has their own preference. It's like the sorting hat. Everybody sort of just falls into the category.
Well,
I already was.
Milwaukee's best.
That's the beer.
I know.
That doesn't count.
I used DeWalt at work.
Drinking old style.
20
Oh,
volt system, maybe that's why I use it here.
whatever lasts long enough, right?
Well, let's bowed a little bit.
No, stupid brain, stop. Drill the wood, not the wood.
All these stupid bees are really starting to piss me off. Start putting the boards on the actual deck next.
What?
What?
But this one's rot.
The brain rot?
Lizard.
Real in Jeff's generation.
Lizard. Steve says Jeff's generation like he's not in the same one.
No, I'm not. Yeah, but what are the millennials? It's not true.
There's no more boxes?
I don't know, there's nothing on the table.
Then we're all out.
What? Is that one?
I have the last one. Oh. Oh, 5 pounds would be plenty.
Well, time to go to Home Depot. Why?
Someone has questions.
Teddy's out here. Wow.
Yeah, I'd like to help.
Go away, Teddy.
Teddy can help us by going to Home Depot and getting more screws.
Need more screws, Ted.
I don't have keys. I don't have a car. I don't have money. God damn it.
I got everything.
Is there anything else?
Here's what you need to buy.
Yes. Bring the box because we
Deck
need more of those.
May
How
3
much?
inch, one.
I don't know. I have no idea.
You need it for the stairs as well?
How many boxes did we use? 4?
At least 3, 4.
And we need it for the deck, the stairs too.
How many boxes?
We used 4,
And they're not even done.
and we should just get 5 more.
4. You don't need it.
You need
Sure.
Stairs.
Okay.
Ted's just gonna leave
You
5.
just get 5 boxes, Teddy. It's my money.
Anything else?
It's my money. It's fine.
Anything
Not
else?
that I can think of.
Anything else?
Steve needs another drink.
Yes.
Yeah, another code red.
Oh, for God's sake.
Can I buy replacement boards so the things are the right length?
What?
You know.
Oh, shut up, Teddy. Oh, Teddy didn't tell you what happened.
He did.
Did he?
Yeah.
I trimmed this.
Yeah, why?
I'm stupid.
He's
I was like, oh, I was like,
whatever.
and I was like, and then like 10 minutes later, I was like, oh.
Lizard.
Jeff is an r/deck master.
I learned everything I need to know from the comment section already.
You need a hand?
Need a handy?
Barely handy.
Jeff, do you barely need a handy?
Why would I bother getting off? The deck's done. It's good.
There is no deck, only pain.
I really wish we had a rope swing to get in.
God, I hope Teddy doesn't get the yellow ones.
He's gonna get the yellow one.
Please don't get the. There's so many yellow ones there. They like have thousands of boxes.
Why would you want the yellow one?
I don't know. That's what Teddy put on the shopping cart originally, and I switched it to these.
He's gonna buy the yellow one.
Make sure you use brown screws.
They're red, but yeah.
Red,
He's gonna buy
brown.
the yellow one.
You need to message them, Josh, to make sure.
I don't have my phone.
How are you supposed to record YouTube shorts?
That's you.
Oh, true.
Get it
Around
on the ground.
Teddy didn't bring his phone either.
Oh,
Who knows?
well,
How many screws do you need?
yeah. Remember, Teddy's the smartest Owen. Right, Jeff?
Yes.
Or is Mickey?
Yes.
Only on paper.
Who's paper?
Teddy. The books are terrible.
Yeah, they're pretty awful.
Over there. Stand it.
If I'm screwing my hands on it.
Good.
Well, the deck top or this will be
We got enough for one more board.
Do we?
Yeah. I need to decide better another one.
So we're gonna be short by one board. Watch.
There's more wood in there.
There is no wood.
I can see them from here.
It's a mirage.
They look like.
Would you? I think we're out of screws.
Do you have any left?
I have one.
I have 2.
Ready to measure.
Enough to right there.
I was counting my measure screw.
Oh. Is that it?
Yeah.
Don't forget that one.
Yeah, can't do anything till Ted gets back.
Wait, let Jeff take one out.
This is the measurement screw.
Oh. No drink? No one?
Oh shit, there's another screw. There's enough to measure.
Right?
It shouldn't take us 2 hours. And the rest of this will take us. 5. Is it the right color? No!
What
They're not yellow, are they?
They're the 3 and 5 pound deck screws.
Not yellow.
What?
Are they yellow, Steve?
Oh, box is yellow. The
Okay, I won't tell you.
The little icon is brown.
Brown, Teddy.
The box is brown.
Okay, I won't tell you at all.
Is there a difference other than the color?
Oh my, I'm going back.
Seriously?
Yes. That's why we gave you the box. So you could look at it.
Sorry.
I sent a picture because I knew you didn't have your phone.
I didn't have my phone. Why'd you send a picture? Here's it. You can see.
Eddie didn't look at the box at all?
They don't come in a 5-pound box. I already know that.
Oh, god damn it.
That's why I said get 5 1-pound boxes.
But they're so much cheaper. What's the difference?
They're exactly the same price.
We said get
What's
5
the
boxes.
difference?
What's the difference? These are yellow and that deck is going to be red.
You're not gonna see it.
Yes, you will.
They're gonna be screwed in.
You can't see the screws right now?
Yeah, you can.
No.
Because you're looking at a level and not on it.
I don't want to agree with Jeff, but on the fact is you will actually see it.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
I want this.
The
and I'm gonna
funniest
drink
part
it.
is Teddy, they all knew that you were gonna get the other one.
I'm not saying you shouldn't have bought the
We all
yellow
knew
one.
you were going to get the yellow. We all knew
Then
it.
why didn't you say anything?
We did! They gave you the box!
You just sent me a picture.
wait,
we
we did.
gave you the box.
I put it in the garbage.
Yeah, stupid.
We said get 5 boxes.
Yeah, this looks exactly like the ones they were.
A little brown right there. The brown where your thumb is probably.
Teddy, I want you to know that I appreciate that.
Alright, welcome to another day of us working on the deck. There's a... So in the last clip you saw, we didn't actually finish laying the boards, but we did that off camera. You can show the stuff, not me. So we did that off camera. I stained the boards and 2 coats, and we modified the spacing. And I've decided that the spacing is a little too much because the boards are going to shrink over time. So we're going to close it back down to our original spacing and then add in a spacer board in the gap, one of these gaps. And this board right here is correct. And we're going to replace this board. It's already split pretty well through, so we're going to go ahead and replace that while we're doing this. It'll be easier to do it now than later. Alright, let's get to it.
Okay, start standing. I'll do this.
How you doing, bud? Theo?
Oh, I'm doing good. Staying cool. You want to finish these or get the boards?
Boards.
All right.
It's hot out here. It's 95 degrees. I'm only a little sweaty.
What board? The one on the ground?
The one's on the ground.
Here you go. Right, let's cut this thing.
And Steve, all the extra trim that we cut off, I was like, hey Jeff, we could use that to fix that. And he's like,
Oh, I already burned that.
It's a little crooked over here. Like on the little.
No, it needs to be up against this. Is it all the way against the...
This one?
No, is it all the way against the edge? I can't go any further. Oh.
It's not.
Nah, it's on.
Okay.
It's like a.
You gotta stain that.
You gotta clean off the sawdust.
did you cut too much?
No, it's perfect.
Actually, it's right on.
Is that good?
Hey!
Looks perfect. Mostly.
We're all wearing it. You too must wear it. No, no.
This is the B-roll
Steve.
footage.
That's sexual harassment, and I will notify HR.
Everything's
Jeff's
recorded.
the owner, I am HR.
Everything's recorded.
HR.
Alright, what do next? Build stairs? Hate everything? Yeah, I hate that too.
All right, Steve.